Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm a senior product manager at LifeStraw. I'm going to walk you through the long-term storage instructions for your LifeStraw Go Series bottle or tumbler. These instructions will be applicable for all Go Series products, with small differences between long-term storage options for stainless steel styles and our plastic bottles. If you plan on storing your Go Series product for a period of 1 month or more of non-use, we recommend following these longer-term cleaning and storage instructions to avoid algae or mold growth and to maintain your filter's performance. Start by discarding the water. Remove the carbon filter, put it in a clean place, let it dry for 30 minutes, and place it in a sealed, reusable container or bag. Remove the membrane filter and rinse under water. Wash the lid, mouthpiece, handle, and bottle or tumbler with soap and water. Allow it to dry. To disinfect, mix 1/4 teaspoon of household bleach with 2 cups of clean water and pour the solution into a container. Screw the empty carbon chamber onto the membrane microfilter and then install the full assembly into the lid. Immerse the membrane microfilter in the solution in the tumbler or bottle, close the container, and wait 5 minutes. Empty the bottle and rinse twice with new, clean water by shaking the container for about 30 seconds each time. Empty the bottle again and blow air through the filter to remove any additional cleaning solution from the filter. To immerse in a salt solution, dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in 2 cups of clean tap water in a reusable container. We recommend storing the membrane microfilter with a salt or saline solution because it helps to prevent any mold or algae from growing during long-term storage while also keeping the membrane microfilter wet, which prevents any remaining sand or silt from becoming dried out and blocking the filter. If your bottle is plastic, you can mix the solution, pour it into your plastic bottle, and immerse the membrane microfilter into the solution while assembled on the cap. You cannot do this with the steel bottle and tumbler as it will rust over time. Store the saltwater container in a cool, dry place. Store the carbon filter sealed in a reusable container separately in a cool, dry place. To resume use of your LifeStraw Go Series again, remove the filter from the saline solution and rinse with clean water. Reinsert the carbon filter into the carbon chamber and assemble the filter assembly into the cap or lid. Fill your bottle or tumbler with regular source water. Spit out the first few sips and perform normal backwash until the salty taste goes away. If you're storing for longer than 2 months, replace the carbon filter prior to reuse. For more information, you can visit our support pages on our website where you can find how-to videos, FAQs, and copies of our user manual. You can also email info@lifestraw.com.